Hi, welcome to another H2 video. As promised in my previous video about how to create VMs in Cockpit, I'm going to go ahead and do this video to show you guys how to actually do a Linux install. So this is our opening screen when you just do the regular install. I chose CentOS 7. It's going to be similar no matter which version of CentOS you're using. So I'm going to go ahead and choose English because that's the language I understand. Under installation destination, I'm going to go ahead and click on that and make sure that I have my hard drive checked, and then I'm going to press done. I always choose a minimal install. You could choose a different install if you'd like. There are minimal full installs of Linux. There are server installs. It really just depends on the type you want. I'll go ahead and put a link down below that kind of explains those different install types. But I usually just choose minimal install. And I have the network as my wired internet connection. This is the internet connection that's plugged directly into my server at my house. And a few different things you can choose. You can choose the date and time. I have mine set to Los Angeles Pacific time because that's the area that I live in. So I'm going to go ahead and just click begin installation. When you do that, it's going to start your installation. It's going to ask for a couple different things, user to be created and a root password. So I'm going to go ahead and click on create the root password, and then I'm just going to give it a new password. Okay, so I went ahead and paused the recording, and I just started it back up once I came up with the password that met their complexity requirements. Basically, you need to choose a password that is strong. So at least 8 characters long, has some sort of special character in it, probably a number, doesn't match any dictionary words, is kind of the main thing. So I'm going to go ahead and press done here. It has our root password set up. You also have the option of creating a new user. Right now it says no user will be created. I'm going to go ahead and create one, and I'll just call this user test. And I'll just give it a new password. So I'm going to go ahead and press done there. And that's pretty much all there is to it. It's going to go ahead and go through the rest of this install. At the end, it's going to have you restart the machine, and then you should be good to go. Thank you for joining us today, and you have a great day.